Do you know new facts about Tesla Cybertruck $39,990 pricing? Cybertruck has attracted more than 500,000 non-binding pre-orders, according to Musk. It will come with up to 4 motors and will offer up to 500 miles of range. According to Tesla, Cybertruck will start at $39,990. Tesla aims to launch a slew of new vehicles in the coming years. Elon Musk is planning a pickup, a semi-truck, a supercar, and a cheap electric car. Roadster. Tesla claims the 4-seat supercar will sprint to 100 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds on its way to a top speed of more than 250 miles per hour. According to the EV maker, the Roadster will be able to travel 620 miles on a charge. Needless to say, a flying Tesla probably won't fly with regulators. Semi. In 2023, Tesla introducing the Cybertruck and Roadster, the Tesla Semi. The Semi requires too many battery cells and computer chips to start building at scale before then, Musk said. Over the years, the prospect of a battery-powered tractor-trailer has attracted lots of attention from major retailers and shippers eager to spend less on fuel and maintenance. PepsiCo, Walmart, Anheuser-Busch, UPS, and FedEx have all placed reservations for the Semi, which Tesla expects will cost $180,000 for a model with 500 miles of range. $25,000 car. Subscribe and like and share my channel.